Architectural windows in Greenwich, Connecticut can have an unmatched impact on your house. But most homeowners know little about these unique design options. That's why Rockman Windows and Doors is here to help. We are the go-to architectural window supplier in Fairfield County, Connecticut, providing windows of all shapes and sizes. Our expertise enables us to help local homeowners choose the best windows for their homes. With that in mind, we want to help you learn more about these desirable options. Architectural windows incorporate arches, circles, ellipses, and other forms to provide unique design elements to your house. They create a focal point and highlight architectural features like spaces with scenic views, large living room walls, and grand entryways. These windows come in numerous styles, including double-hung, casement, and picture. You can choose from farmhouse windows, Victorian windows, colonial windows, ranch windows, and more. Adding these features to your house will enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, boost indoor air quality, and increase natural light. To find the best option for your house, consider your style and space, local climate, and the maintenance the windows require. At Rockman Windows and Doors, we supply architects, builders, and homeowners with beautiful and durable windows. We partner with the best brands and include manufacturer warranties for long-term protection. Isn't it your turn to experience the benefits of architectural windows in your Greenwich, Connecticut home? Rockman Windows and Doors can help. Reach out to us today to get started.